The Center for Conflict Management resides in the School of Conflict Management, Peacebuilding Development. It is a support system for the graduate programs, for the master's and the PhD programs in conflict management in the school. The center also provides professional development training in mediation, facilitation, and that is for USG employees, not just exclusive to Kennesaw, but also the Kennesaw community. So if somebody is an attorney and wants mediation training, they can call me up when we have classes and come participate.
It's been instrumental to my success, especially at the Fulton County ADR office. I ended up being a registered neutral in the state of Georgia. That was definitely a big step for me. I ended up being on the roster for Fulton County Superior Court as a mediator. In my first year as a mediator on their roster, I had over 70 cases, included business, construction cases, domestic violence, family. Without the training I received, none of that would came to fruition.
I was completely in awe of Dr. Susan Raines and her breadth of knowledge and her absolute ability to entertain and teach at the same time. And we would be so engaged that at the end of the day, even though we were exhausted, we'd look and we were like 30 minutes past. I just learned a tremendous amount from her, and it totally improved my practice.